What if your lamp could feed you? Not a concept, not a render. A real working hanging lamp with a garden built into it. Meet Phytoring. You fill the tray with coconut coir, sprinkle seeds, close it up and forget about it. A few days later, you look up and your ceiling is growing your next dinner. Microgreens, fresh, alive, glowing from underneath like they are showing off. Now, here is where it gets fun. Drop in a smart bulb, it dims, it schedules, it vibes. Drop in a phytolamp. Your greens grow faster than your houseplants ever did. But wait, don't rush to buy it, because you won't find a single store selling this. Because it's fully 3D printable at home. Any printer, even the cheapest one you own. Yeah, even that anniversary collecting dust in the corner will finally help you make dinner. Standard, Pro, Pro Max, 3 versions, pick your level. A lamp that lights your room, grows your food, and looks like it belongs in a design magazine. Phytoring by Engineericly. Crowdfunding launches soon on MakerWorld. Don't miss it.